In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vector in Figma. This is an incredibly valuable skill for designers who need to maintain the quality of their graphics across all sizes and applications. By transforming pixel-based images into scalable vector paths, you ensure your designs remain perfectly crisp and clear. Figma's powerful plugin ecosystem makes this transformation efficient and straightforward, allowing you to achieve professional results with ease. Our first step involves utilizing a dedicated plugin called Vectorizer within Figma. To begin, open your Figma project and ensure the image you wish to convert is placed on your canvas. Next, navigate to the top menu bar. You'll find the Plugins option there. If it's not immediately visible, click on the main Figma menu icon, often represented by the blue F or a hamburger icon, and then select Plugins from the drop-down list. Once you've clicked Plugins, a submenu will appear. You'll either find Vectorizer listed if you've used it before, or if it's already installed. If not present, select Browse Plugins in Community or Find More Plugins. This will open the Figma Community tab, where you can easily search for and install Vectorizer. It's a highly effective and widely used tool for this purpose. After installation, return to your canvas, click on Plugins once more, and select Vectorizer from your list. This action launches the plugin's interface, displaying your selected image and initial conversion options, ready for refinement. With the Vectorizer plugin now open and your image loaded, you'll see various controls designed to help you fine-tune the vector conversion process. This stage is crucial for achieving the desired look for your new vector graphic. The plugin typically offers key parameters like threshold, corners, and smoothing. Threshold dictates the sensitivity of the conversion, essentially determining which pixels form part of the vector path versus the background. Adjusting this can either capture more subtle details or simplify the image, depending on your needs. Corners influences the sharpness or roundness of edges in your vectorized output, which is vital for maintaining your artwork's original character and style. Smoothing works to reduce any jaggedness or pixelation, resulting in cleaner, more fluid lines and curves, especially beneficial for organic shapes or intricate illustrations. As you interact with these sliders, the plugin usually provides a real-time preview of the vectorized result. It's highly recommended to experiment with these settings. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Optimal adjustments will depend on the unique characteristics and complexity of your original raster image. Pay close attention to how each change affects the fidelity, cleanliness, and overall appearance. Your goal is to strike a balance that accurately reflects your original image while ensuring it's perfectly scalable. Once satisfied with the preview, locate and click the Vectorize or Apply button within the plugin interface. This action generates a new, fully editable vector layer directly on your Figma canvas, ready for you to use and manipulate without any loss of quality